Hey, it's Raymond here. So you want to run webinar on Zoom, okay? But you don't know how to hook up all those tools like Facebook lead ads and also Clickfunnels for it to work together with Zoom. So I'm going to share you ways we can set it up, and I'll use two use case and share 3 ways to do it. Okay, so use two use case. One is you want to use Facebook lead form directly, or you want to use second way is the using a funnel builder like ClickFunnels, for example. Okay, and I'll share you 3 different ways to set it up. Okay, let's go. Okay, now this is the integration between the Facebook lead form itself and the Zoom. Okay, so this is suitable if you don't want to use like a landing page or a funnel, and you just want to use the lead form itself. Okay, and directly link that people, that audience, the lead into the new webinar. So there's 2 tools that we can use. One is Zapier, which is I would say is the industry standard, and another is Make, or previously known as integramat. Right. In this example, I'll be using Make to share how to do it, because for the Zapier, lead ad is actually a premium feature, so you need to pay the account to do it. Okay, the setup is pretty much the same, but I want to show you Make because some people they may use the free tool, right? So if you need an account for Make, I have a link down below. Okay, so let's use this as example. First of all, we need to create our trigger. Trigger is where everything started. So everything started in our case is we got the lead ads, new leads. So this is a trigger. When there's a new leads, what will happen next? Okay, so first we need to set up the webhook. So click on the ad, okay, and set up all the pages and stuff. Okay, and then your form, save, and okay, then that's it, it's done. So we done the first part, which is to trigger whenever we have a new leads coming into the Facebook lead ad. Okay, let's do it with Zoom. So if you want to run a webinar, you will first require a paid Zoom account. I don't have that account. I'm using other tool for my webinar. So if you have a webinar, make sure you have scheduled the webinar ahead of time, because we need to pick from the list, right? So just pick the add a webinar registrant and you're good to go. Okay, now for my case, I'll just use the normal way. Add a meeting registrant. Okay, the setup is pretty much the same. Okay, so this is the account, and I'll just something random. Okay, and this is where we pick those key fields that we capture from the lead form and put it there. Okay, so for example, this is the email. This will be the first name, the last name. Anything else? Nope, that's it. And click OK, and that's how we hook it up. Okay, and then don't click on the run once, click on this one, scheduling on, to turn it on. Okay, so save the changes. You can click from right here, or we can click it from, okay, give me a minute. Okay, turn it on from right here. So that's how we set it up. Whenever there's a lead coming from the lead form, it will go into the Zoom and it will add a webinar registrant, or if you use the webinar account, or meeting registrant. Okay, so that's for hooking up Facebook lead to Zoom. This is for when you have like a Clickfunnel, you have a funnel and you want to use the funnel and send the people to Zoom webinar. So first of all, the first thing we need to do is to get the integration ready. So go to your account on the top right hand side, drop down account details, account settings, and then on the left hand side, the menu, search for integration. Okay, and you will see this page. Right, so first we need to do is add new integration. Okay, so you can see that Zoom is under the webinar tab. Okay, see right here, or of course you can always search for it. Right, so click on the Zoom and you need to have a paid Zoom account that have the webinar feature turned on, and the webinar must be future date and it cannot be a recurring webinar. So just give your integration a name, Zoom for example, and then you can connect the integration. Of course you need to give the authentication, log in the account and stuff. Okay, once you've done that, it will be part of your integration. So how do we use it? Using this example page, this is a template that we have in ClickFunnels. So once we have the integration ready, you can go right here, setting. By the way, you need to be a webinar page for it to work, right? So yeah, integration, and under the integration you have the Zoom that you set up, and then you have action, you set it up to send people sign up for the webinar. Okay, and this will automatically help ClickFunnels to know when users sign up. Okay, this is a pop-up. Okay, so when user sign up right here, the details, the information will be sent to Zoom and it will register for the webinar. Okay, so that is how ClickFunnels plus webinar integration, how it works. Last but not least, this is the third way to do the integration. This one is for ClickFunnels Zoom webinar without using the native integration. So we can use tools like Zapier or integramat, or commonly known as Make right now. By using Zapier as example, because just now I showed the Make how we use it. So let's go for ClickFunnels. And Zoom. Let's make a Zap. Okay, so from right here you can like pick an account and also do it like when you have a new contact activity, meaning that you have a new contact. Okay, then have a pick account, stuff like that. I'll skip that part. Okay. Okay, so you can just pick the event. You have like webinar registrant, and just pick the event that you want to put them on. Okay, and once you're done, and just turn the Zap on, and you're good to go. Okay, that's Zapier. Very easy to do it.